This video will explain the basic startup process for the Vetpump Pro VP50 Infusion pump. Start by pressing the power button for 2 seconds. This will turn the pump on. The pump will now prompt to clear the last treatment settings. Selecting yes will clear all data from the previous infusion. Selecting no will pick up on the previous infusion settings. If no selection is made after 30 seconds, the pump will clear the previous data. Now you will see the home screen where infusion settings can be entered. The current infusion mode can be found at the bottom of the home screen. There are 2 different ways to change the current mode. The easiest way is to touch the bottom of the home screen and choose the preferred mode. The alternative way is to go through the menu, pressing either one of the 2 menu buttons, selecting modes and choosing your preferred mode. Now we will install the infusion line. Start by pulling the handle in the middle towards yourself to open the door. Push up on the grey clamp situated to the right, noticing the arrows also showing the direction of flow. Insert the line into this guide. Using your finger, secure the line into the pressure points. Making sure these are nice and secure. Once the line is secure, close the grey clamp back to the left to clamp the line in place. Now you will close the door firmly, pressing both sides of the door until you hear the click. Depending on what brand of intravenous line you are using, you might need to manually verify the brand and calibrate it. The pump will automatically default to the last brand and calibration that was previously used. If a different brand is being used, simply select different brand in settings. This will pull up all the pre-installed fluid line brands. Now back at the menu, you will enter infusion settings by selecting the appropriate boxes on the touchscreen. Verify your settings once again and finally start the infusion by pressing one of the 2 start buttons.